over there, that's the road that heads all the way to Gitaru. So you can see the wall that is going to be probably a connection point, and that is probably the main line or the main line of the Gitaru Interchange, which is heading all the way to that side. Wanasema hakuna, hawataki yote iende loss. Napata pengine hata ni wale wenye wako huko sana sana.
Hata sio hao. Wenye kazi wako huko. Hao kapatikani hawezi kuja hapa.
Ukimaliza utasaidia hapo mahali. Tunapanga na traffic.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
Sasa tuko Gitaru.
Yes.
Sasa mimi nakaa na ile side nyingine sasa Gitaru kwa soko.
Hapo ka nini? Huko kwa Gitaru market huko.
Sasa hiyo ndio mtaa nilianza. Yako hata ndio kama nimelelewa tu hapo. Hiyo ndio mtaa yangu kabisa.
Kwa hivyo unaelewa huku vizuri.
Hapa? Hapa napata. Huko
unasema ni mtaa?
Sasa ile ni mtaa, sasa ni kama kijijini sasa. Lakini kuna soko kubwa inaitwa Gitaru Market.
Yes.
Kwa hiyo sote. Ni soko ya mayai, soko ya mamboga.
By then nilikuwa nasoma mahali wakasema I think Gitaru Market was one of the biggest nini sasa ya mayai.
Mayai ukikuja huko kama Thursday. Hizo mayai mnauziwa hapa sio 20 ni.
Yes.
Unauziwa na wholesale. Watu wanakuja kuchukua market, sio wafanya biashara, sio watu wa kukula. Hapa kuna gari na ya tomato zenye jalala, watu wangekuwa wameshapora hiyo. Sasa hii ndio unasikiaga ile Gitaru Interchange yenye inatengenezwa.
Yeah, in fact that is what I want to show people.
Ndio hii inaendelea lakini inaenda polepole imekaa. Ndio hii.
Sasa unajua fans na hizo vitu lazima pesa.
Hapa hii ni imekaa shida hapa, sijui zilijaisha hapa. Lakini unaona bado walirudi tena. Walikuwa wamesimama sasa wamerudi. Hii ni Wayakiwe. Sasa side nyingine ni ya kuteremka kwenda town. Hiyo ni ya kupanda kwenda uptown. Nakuru, wapi, Narok. Nakuru. So hiyo ndio mnaelekea.
Yeah. Sawa.
Hata ile bado inaendelea kutengenezwa.
Hiyo ndio nataka kwenda kupita huko sasa. Nitembee huko nifikishie watu huko tu polepole. Yeah?
Hiyo bado ni kubwa.
Oh yeah.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
Hello good people and welcome back to Shifting News. As usual, your great channel with wonderful videos and great views, and gonna say thank you to all those who are supporting us. As you have seen, this is the Nairobi Nakuru A104 and I'm here at Gitaru. We wanna bring you the current updates with the ongoing construction of the Gitaru Interchange. So thank you to all those who are visiting us for the first time. So the only request we make is make sure you support us by subscribing to this amazing channel. Hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. So watch this video until the end and enjoy all the views. Thank you and continue watching. So you can easily note there are a lot of changes since the last time we were here. You remember last time the building that collapsed was just somewhere here, and a number of changes, a lot of changes here and there. And today you can see we have lots of activities happening. You can see we have workers on site, raising the walls. You know, some of those columns, I think they are precasted, then they just come fix them there. Remember, this is the Gitaru Interchange, probably one of the largest that is going to change the transportation around this area. Probably let us just move nearer. We have a view of what is happening over there. We have a generator on site, workers doing their work. Also have others there. This is a water tanker. So we have a lot of activities happening around this place. This is within Gitaru. Back then there was a house somewhere here, and you can see it has been demolished to provide room for the ongoing constructions. These are some of the remains of the house that was here back then, demolished, and you can be sure that when you come here after a month, you will realize the construction will have gone afar. I think there is transfer of the soil, probably trying to levelize this area. Let us move on the upper side of this side, probably to have a view from the top. I don't know if this is one of the roads that is supposed to be connecting, but you can realize there is soil that was amassed here. That is the road, that is the major A104. If you go this way, you are going to Nakuru, Eldoret. This way you are going back to Nairobi town, and there is an underpass that takes you to Kikuyu town. Over there, that's the road that heads all the way to Gitaru. So you can see the wall that is going to be probably a connection point, and that is probably the main line, or the main line of the Gitaru Interchange, which is heading all the way to that side. And I hope you can all remember that during our previous video, when we had that house that collapsed, over there where you can see there is another construction machine, I don't know, the crane on, there was a huge building over there, and right now it's no more, it's not there, meaning it was brought down. We also have other people who are looking for the scrap metal. We call them the scrap metal. So probably they're moving this soil. Is it soil or a mixture of sand, cement, the debris? Probably they want to levelize on the other sections down there. In harvesting the steel. That's why it's demolishing that huge chunk. You can see there is another person there trying to harvest it. I don't know if they are 6. lots of activities going on here. Maybe let's take a tour around this place and probably know where the progress is, if we'll be lucky to get the engineer. Then we can be sure to ask about the progress. But this is the wall for the interchange, and this is so far the progress. Probably after, we can say this is after a month. We were here, should be almost a month ago. And Gitaru Interchange is one of probably the busiest, because here vehicles coming from Nakuru, they can connect to Southern Bypass, and when you're coming from the CBD, you can be connecting to you can connect to, what do we say, Gitaru. So far that is the update and the progress of this interchange. We try to get all the aspects from different angles, and you can see from here, you can see that wall, how it curves. Maybe I wish we could have the design of this interchange. Probably once it is complete, could be a great interchange, and you can see soil everywhere. So you see that is now, and the underpass that leads to Kikuyu, or when you want to connect to the Nairobi Southern Bypass. So that lorry, like the white one, they are coming from the A104, from all the way from Mai Mahiu or Nakuru. Then they come to join this now the Nairobi Southern Bypass through this connection. So probably this interchange is aiming to solve the issue, because there are times when this area becomes full of vehicles. There is a traffic build-up along these sections. You can see those guys have harvested the steel or the metal, probably taking them to scrap metal. Maybe, you never know. I don't know the importance of those they coming from the derelict building there that was destroyed. So as we were saying, that road, if you head that you go to Kikuyu, join Nairobi Southern Bypass all the way to Ole Sereni, and the one on top, you go this way, you go to Nairobi CBD and areas of Kangemi. This one will take you, this is the Nairobi Western Bypass, to Gitaru, Ruaka. No, sorry, Gitaru is here. So you can use this road to Wangige, Ruaka, Denderu, even to Kiambu town. And I hope you can see the amazing work being done here. I think this interchange was supposed to be constructed long time ago, but you never know. It could be issue about fund allocation. So the wall curves on the other side, so this building survived. So let's just check on this other side, the road that heads to Wangige, because there is ongoing activities. Just check on this other side. So that building, I think it was whitish in color. It was somewhere here. And right now, it is down. Provide space for the construction of the interchange. So probably this will be a slip road to connect. Should be Gitaru Market. Yes, you can see the wall. So the interchange seems to be starting on this other side, then connecting all the way. Then I don't know. Probably we just need to wait until the final stages of the construction to be able to understand how the connectivity here is being done. So we have an underpass somewhere over there. This is for all of you who know, this one is the Nairobi Western bypass. If you haven't watched our videos, you can just when you're on YouTube, you can just say Nairobi Western bypass shifting news and you'll get the results of all the videos we have done along the Western bypass. And from afar there is a road over there going through an underpass, probably connecting to Gitaru Market, because Gitaru Market should be on this other side. Some of these designs are so confusing, and you can become confused, especially if you don't have the original design. Reason being, let me just walk up to that far end where we still have construction ongoing. So I don't know if that is the end point or how it is going to be joining on the other section of the road. So this point, let me just remember, this is the official Western bypass. I don't know why it was dual, but reaching here, then the road So this is the point where I'm talking about. So probably before I show you, let me move some few meters away now on the Nairobi Western bypass. You can also check our aerial view of this bypass. You can see over there is an underpass and there is a road that goes all the way, probably heading to Gitaru Market. And there is the railway line over there. So here, this is the road you can see there is a wall. Then coming here, it seems there is excavation. Now the question is this road ending here? Or what will be the connection point? Because it comes, there is an end point here. And you know, I'm standing here on the Nairobi Western bypass. Then that is what is happening over there. So you can see there is more work being done here. The connection point. So I don't know if there is more soil that will be placed here to ensure. Now you see it's not dual starting from here. So I don't know if it's allegations or maybe our assumption. If this wall here, this one, is supposed to come and then connect with this one, we don't know. So let us walk back, and we are walking along the Nairobi Western bypass. With activities ongoing for the construction of the Gitaru Interchange. Have estates, have a church there. And the construction activities are being done by China Hui. They are relaxing, they are waiting to roll. So we are back here where we have more activities happening. Let's go like this. So you can board here vehicles to Wangige, Kiambu town. So see the interchange from afar. So probably this whole place is supposed to be occupied by this interchange. is the road that will comes from the A104. And you see this point here, we have on the left, this is this road. It goes to Wangige and the Western Bypass. Then on the other side, you can go to Kikuyu, Southern Bypass and Nakuru. So that is when you connect with the underpass here. You can see more other activities ongoing here. So we have China Hui company, the ones that are dealing with this road or this interchange. So since this chunk so we hope the construction activities are going to be completed the soonest possible, to ensure we don't have the experience, or we don't experience traffic snarl-ups along this stretch here. So thank you people for having watched this video up to this far. I hope you enjoyed the video. Your comments is welcome. Tell us what you think about the construction activities along this Gitaru Interchange, whatever is happening here. If you are one of the officials, the government officials, or those who are involved with the construction, maybe you can write a comment or you can email us to tell us more details. And if we can also get the master plan of this interchange, we can always appreciate, just to show our viewers and about the progress. You know, some of these construction elements, they help people in making decisions in terms of where they can rent or where they can invest. And accessibility is one of the key factors when it comes to investments, especially in real estate. So we believe some of these videos are here to educate and inform, and also help people make informed decisions when it comes to matters of investment, real estate investment, where they can stay, places they can visit, what you can enjoy, what you can do there, and more other things related to such places. So we say thank you, and to our new visitors, we humbly request you to join this amazing family by subscribing. You hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. So caution, construction area, watch for moving equipment. So that is caution to the public, and even the workers, they all have to be extra careful, especially when they are working here. So thank you, and see you in our next video.
Shifting News.